Hello student, am I audible? বলুন। কালকে রিপিট করলাম তো। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, করে দিচ্ছি। ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে, করে দিচ্ছি। Hello student, am I audible? Hello. Okay. In the last class yesterday, I have shown you the practical, mainly the acid-base nature, and also the action of acid and base on zinc and aluminium. See, so since you have perhaps you have some problem for writing, so okay, in the board, so I will write all the practical, so you must follow the board work. First you write aim to determine the nature of solution within bracket acidic or basic by using common acid base indicator. এটা হচ্ছে তোর aim to determine the nature of solution acidic or basic by using common acid base indicator. Theory. What is the theory? Indicators are weak organic indicator are weak organic acid or base which have different color in ionized and non-ionized form. So they give different color in acidic and basic solution. For example, phenolphthalein is colorless in acid medium but pink color in basic medium. Next, chemical required কি কি লাগবে? dilute HCl dilute NaOH কালকে আমরা যা ইউজ করেছি dilute NH4OH dilute CH3COOH আচ্ছা distill water phenolphthalein litmus methyl orange and universal indicator these are the chemical required. Those students who have already written from internet or from other source, they have no need to write this. You can write this, but no need to write in the practical copy again. Those students who are facing problem, how he can write it? This written is only for those few students. Okay. So this is the chemical required. Now, so this first you write the M, then you write the theory, then you write the chemical required. Now experiment. Next, এবার একটা কলাম করতে হবে বলেছিলাম in the tabular form. So first you make 3 column. Experiment, observation and inference. Experiment column, take 1 cc solution A in a test tube and add few drops blue litmus solution. Observation key, the solution turns red. Inference key, solution A is acidic in nature. কারণ লিটমাসকে লাল করেছে, solution A is acidic in nature. Okay. Now next experiment, second experiment, take 1 cc solution A, solution B in a test tube and add few drops red litmus solution. Okay. The solution B turns blue. Red litmus থেকে blue. So what is conclusion? Solution B is basic in nature. Okay. Observation experiment 3, take 1 cc solution C in a test tube and add few drops phenolphthalein solution. Observation key, the solution C remains colorless মানে কি? in conclusion কি? solution C C is acidic. Solution C is acidic. Okay. Number 4. Take 1 cc solution D in a test tube and add few drops phenolphthalein solution. Inference, a observation, the solution D turns pink color. Conclusion, solution D is basic in nature. Okay. Now all of you write this. You say the aim. In aim I have written the nature of solution within bracket acidic or basic. Okay. So solution C is acidic. So now you know the phenolphthalein, the neutral solution, if neutral, it also gives the colorless. Then if you have to determine whether C is acidic or neutral, then you add the litmus solution, blue litmus. If blue litmus does not turn red, then it is neutral, or if blue litmus turns red, then it is acidic. The next deck. Take 1 cc solution E and add few drops methyl orange indicator. Observation, the solution turns pink. Solution E is acidic in nature. Next, take 1 cc solution F and add few drops methyl orange indicator. The solution F turns yellow color. তাহলে সলিউশন কনক্লুশন কি লিখবি? সলিউশন F is basic in nature. এই তিনটে কমন বেস অ্যাসিড বেস ইন্ডিকেটর দিয়ে লিখে রাখবি। এই তুই যখন সবই জানিস তোকে আর ক্লাস করতে হবে না, পরদিন কলেজে স্কুলে আসবি, তুই এখানে পড়াবি, বুঝলি তো, সিলেবাস দেখে দেখে, তোকে আর ক্লাস করতে হবে না, তোকে আমি প্রমোশন দিয়ে দেবো। So this is the common acid base indicator. Now yesterday I have shown another two reaction. that is reaction of HCl or NaOH with zinc metal and sodium carbonate and bicarbonate solution. Also I have told you that the amphoteric nature of zinc, aluminium and zinc, that is they react both with acid and base to give salt and hydrogen. So now next, so write the next you write the action of, next what is the heading? Action of reaction of zinc and Na2CO3 or sodium bicarbonate on HCl on acidic and basic solution, on acidic or basic solution. Reaction of zinc and sodium carbonate or bicarbonate on acidic and basic solution. Theory: dilute acid reacts with active metal to give salt and hydrogen. Dilute acid also reacts with carbonate and bicarbonate salt to give CO2 gas. The gas can be identified by passing through lime water. The gas turns lime water milky, but cannot decolorize. Pink color of KMnO4 solution. Okay. You can write it continuity or you can write separate as you like. So dilute acid, this is the theory. Now chemical required. কি লাগবে? dilute HCl, zinc metal, NaHCO3 solution, ঠিক আছে? আর হচ্ছে NaOH solution. Okay, these are the chemical requirement. Now experiment. experiment, observation, inference. Experiment number 1, take a small piece of zinc granules in a test tube and add dilute HCl. Observation: effervescence of a gas that burns with blue flame and pop sound. Okay. Inference: the gas is hydrogen. Acid reacts with zinc to give salt and hydrogen. Salt and hydrogen. You can write the equation: Zn plus 2HCl give ZnCl2 plus hydrogen. Okay. Now second, number 2, take 2 cc sodium bicarbonate solution in a test tube and add dilute HCl to it. এখানে অবজারভেশনকে লিখবি একই রকম, effervescence of a colorless gas that turns lime water milky. Okay. Inference की CO2 gas is evolve. ইকুয়েশনটা লিখে দিবি NaHCO3 plus HCl give NaCl plus CO2 plus water. Okay. Now next, take a small piece of zinc granules in a test tube, add 1 cc concentrated NOx solution and heat. Effervescence of a gas that burns with blue flame and pop sound. Zinc reacts with NaOH to give Na2ZnO2 and hydrogen. মানে জিঙ্ক হচ্ছে একটা স্পেশাল মেটাল which react both with acid and base to give salt and hydrogen. So this is the practical on acid base. Okay, so you can write this in practical notebook. Hello student, any problem? Hello. So you must write these 2 or 3 practical, and then you write the project topics on natural resource and judicious use and submit. Your biology teacher have given the any project? Hello student, your biology teacher have given any project? So you write this. You write this in practical copy. This practical I have done in the first class, chapter 1, simple displacement reaction. You must write in the practical 1. This is the example of simple displacement reaction. So you write this in chapter 1, first practical. Okay. Here you see zinc can displace ferrous sulfate, copper sulfate only. Iron can displace only copper sulfate. Copper cannot displace anyone. And aluminium can displace zinc sulfate, ferrous sulfate and copper sulfate. So this is the example of simple displacement reaction. So you will write this in the first practical topics. Okay. Okay. Any question? Hello student, any question? Okay, bye.